Welcome to StreetScope, your compact, real-time mobile mapping solution for roads, assets, and urban environments. StreetScope pairs a 360 degrees camera with a GNSS/RTK receiver and an Android phone to capture georeferenced panoramic video with centimeter-level positioning. You monitor and manage everything from the StreetScope mobile app. Here's the basic kit: a supported 360 camera, the GNSS/RTK module with survey antenna, a USB OTG adapter and cable, and your Android smartphone. Mount the camera on the roof base. Fix the antenna with a magnetic or screw mount, and keep cable strain relieved. For positioning, use the dual-frequency L1/L5 GNSS/RTK receiver with a survey-grade antenna. With network RTK corrections, you can achieve centimeter-level accuracy for precise lane-level mapping. StreetScope supports mainstream action class 360s for mobile mapping. INR setup, GoPro Max, and Insta360 X series are common choices. Launch the StreetScope app on Android. Allow location access, then pan the base map to your current area. The base map view gives spatial context and helps plan your drive. Connect the phone to the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot and verify live preview. StreetScope's live view helps you confirm horizon, exposure, and that the lens is clean before you roll. Now you can start to configure StreetScope for a data capture project. First, create a new project and give it a clear name. Add your reference layers, for example, road centerlines and survey boundaries, and assign them to the project so you can see coverage against your planned route. Before capture, initialize GNSS. Hold the vehicle stationary for 2 to 3 minutes to stabilize the solution, then drive a slow circle to calibrate heading. Next, open the NTRIP client, connect to your correction service, and confirm NMEA streaming. Enable logging so the NMEA stream is saved as a GPX track. This becomes part of your final dataset. Start recording. During the run, you can toggle between capture progress and GNSS status, so you always know your coverage and fixed quality. Also, you can view the live tracking of the capture vehicle along the planned routes. The red lines show routes to be surveyed, while the orange lines are surveyed routes. Tap stop to end the run. StreetScope displays the completed survey route in blue and packages your dataset: 1. The KML or GPX track log, 2. Video metadata in CSV, and 3. The panoramic raw video. These files are ready for post-processing and publishing. Publish your imagery to ARD360 for measurement and extraction, or feed detections into Pavement AI for road condition analysis and asset mapping. StreetScope also adapts to motorcycles for narrow lanes and to special landscape captures. That's StreetScope. Plan better, capture faster, deliver smarter.